Hey babes, welcome back to Love Milani. It is your girl, the girly, Anastasia Milani, and welcome to another Vlogtober video. So y'all, as y'all can see, I'm already dressed. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing in a second, but we are on a time crunch because I need to run to H&M. I really wanted to go to Ross, but I don't think I'm gonna have the time. But Ross, H&M, and I need to get something to eat. I wanted to either go to Chipotle and get like a bowl and then go get some Doritos. Like, this is my big back day. Let's just make the disclaimer, it's my big back day. So I kind of want to go to Chipotle, get a bowl and get some like Doritos and like eat it like that. I felt like a month ago and it was really good. But then I also been seeing the viral like Domino's pizza that I kind of want to try. So I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do, but I'm hungry. It's late in the afternoon and your girl has not ate yet. So yeah, we have a few things that we're trying to get done. So if you're interested in this video, want to spend the day with me, see what we get into, please make sure to subscribe below, hit that post notification bell so you can know every time I upload, especially during Vlogtober. The times that I'll be uploading during the day can be all over the place. Okay, so just make sure to subscribe, y'all. Okay, so let's get into the fit real quick. So it's like 100 degrees outside, y'all. I'm wearing this hat because I did not feel like doing my hair. The lace was gonna stand no chance in the heat anyway, so I just boom, put this little hat on I got from Trend Mall. I'm wearing this purse that I got from Shein. All the jewelry and things like that came from Shein. This top is very old. It's just like a little graphic tee that I got. Let me try to lower y'all, hold on. Yeah, so this top is very old. It's just like a little graphic tee I got from, I want to say Fashion Nova, but looks like that. Cute little graphic in the back. Then I'm wearing this skirt. Got this from Target. It's like a sweatshirt material, super cute. I believe this is in my collective haul that I posted, so make sure to watch it if you haven't. And then I'm wearing my New Balances. These are so comfortable. These 90-60, is this what they are? 90-60, but super comfortable running errands or need to go to multiple stores. Like, these have like a cushion in them, y'all. Your feet are gonna be a-okay. So boom, I need to grab a snack because I have not ate and we're going out in the heat, so I do need to grab me a little snack out the door, grab my water, and then we should be good to go. I made it to H&M. I can't talk much because y'all hear the dang music. Somehow I'm in the kids section. I'm looking at the little girl stuff for my god baby, but I don't even really have time to be in here. So I'm about to take a couple of pictures. They have like this big mirror. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures and I'm about to head to Ross, or I'll probably see what they have upstairs and then head to Ross. Cool jacket, like look at this. That eats. This is a large. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be oversized, but I literally think I want to try the medium. This is cute. I have this one. All right, y'all, so I have ate. I am full. I took me a little break. So let's open up some packages. Actually, let me go get them, cause why am I not prepared? 1 second. Okay, y'all, boom, thumbnail. All right, let's just start. I don't even know. Let's start with this because I think this is shoes. Okay. Oh, look at these, y'all. These are supposed to go with my H&M two-piece that I got. Now these are, I gotta go put them together because I feel like my H&M set, I don't know, y'all, sometimes I feel like it's like a deep burgundy, and sometimes I feel like it's a chocolate brown. So, and on the receipt it say pink. So I don't know. But I'm about to match these up and see if they go together. These are too fire. There's supposed to be like a little YSL dupe. They had another, I believe, color option on there. That was I think this is the burgundy. I think they had like a chocolate brown one. So I may have to get those if these do not match. Clearly, I'm into the slingbacks. Those are really, really cute. All right, then we have this. What do we have? I was gonna say, what Gucci did I order? I was about to, what Gucci did I order? I think this is a wig, y'all. I'm pretty sure, yep. Oh yeah, I got, hold on, let me show y'all. Ooh. I know, oh, wait. Y'all look at, oh, hold on, y'all, shoot. I got this 28-inch. Did I get ginger? I thought I got dark brown. I gotta go look, y'all. I thought I got dark brown, but this looks like the ginger wig. Is it ginger? It's giving ginger. Is this giving ginger or dark brown to y'all? To me, it's giving ginger. It's not, yeah. But yeah, I got this. The color is not really given to me. I don't know. Once I put it on my head, I'll be able to see, but we'll see. I ain't gonna judge a book by its cover. We'll put her on and see how she sits and see what she is giving or not. But yeah, it was a quick little, I think it was like $110 or something for this. So I don't have high expectations, but it's gonna have to give something. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm sweating bullets because it's hot. I'm trying not to have the air on so you guys can hear me. But it's hot. So we're gonna do further research on her. But then I got a black one. And this is just a bust down, I want to say 9x6 or 5x5. 32-inch natural color black, whatever, lace front. So yeah. And I'll let y'all know how each one of these, how they hold up, how they last. It's from Amazon. And I don't get like the expensive Amazon ones because I feel like no matter what, whether it's the cheaper ones or the more expensive ones, they all are not the best quality. So I'd rather spend $125 on one than $300. And they still last about the same amount of time. And of course, it comes with your weight cap. Another band. I don't need not one more of these bands, but I appreciate it. But I need not one more. But your little band. And then this is the one I'm really excited about because I have some content creating items in here, or one at least. Not me, y'all. I got another wig. This one though is the Flamboyage Sand Zelina wig. I've had this before. It's like a dusty, dirty blonde color. Or actually, let me show y'all. Y'all probably want to see, but I have a video on it. Here she is. Super pretty, super, super pretty. And of course, the lighting makes it like more shiny looking. In person, it's really not that, shiny. Okay, y'all, last but not least, I got a freaking monitor screen, not a well, it is a monitor, but like a screen. Because I know y'all seen like on TikTok where they have the little screens that you can put on your phone. So when you want to use the back camera, you can see what's going on the front, or when you want to use the back camera, yeah, you can see like what's on the screen when you want to use the back camera. I don't be using my back camera because one too many times I've used my back camera and I wasn't either in the shot, like in the shot, or the focus, for whatever reason, the focus of it was not focusing. So the whole video was blurry. Experiences, I was just like, I'm not doing this no more. I'm not doing back camera. I either need to learn how to use my camera, or I'm just using front camera. And with the front camera, like, it's so much more convenient, but you lose quality of your videos because, you know, the front camera is just not capable. It's not as capable as the back. So I want to up my video quality and stuff like that. So I have to start using my back camera, but I need a monitor. I need something. I need a screen. I do have a whole camera that I will learn how to use, but even once I start using my camera, I'm still going to want to use my phone, you know, for certain things. It's just easier. So when I seen the little monitor, I thought that was perfect because it's small. You could put it on the back of your phone. Perfect. But it did not have good reviews. It had a lot of bad reviews about how it wasn't good. And it was like $60 something. This was $70 and it had really good reviews. People were saying really good things about it. So I'm excited. This is all about the elevation, upgrading ourselves, and just putting the money into things that are worth it. You know, I feel like for the past couple years, I've been doing a lot of traveling, which I would never say don't travel. You should always travel, I feel like, and get those experiences because it's well worth it. But also invest in yourself, invest in your craft, and the things that you want to do. Is very important as well. So sometimes you can't go on that trip because y'all, Louisiana, what is it called? The Louisiana Fest, the Louisiana Fest in New Orleans that Lil Wayne is hosting, or it's his festival in New Orleans with the Hot Boys reunion this year. Like, baby, you would ask me a couple months ago, I would have booked that flight, would have booked that hotel, we would have went. Because especially Jen, she wants to go too. But that $1,200, $1,500, or probably like $2,000 more so is what it's going to cost. Spending money, hotel, all that. I rather put that money into my craft and the things that I'm trying to accomplish at this time. Hopefully a year from now, I'm able to do both. But right now, this is where I'm passionate and excited about spending my money. So yeah. I'm comparing a $2,000 trip to a $70 monitor. Baby steps, baby steps. So anyways, this is the monitor. I don't know how to work it. I don't know what it's supposed to do quite yet. I don't know. When I get it set up, I will show you guys. But for now, it's a big screen, which is obviously more inconvenient than the little screen. But this had good reviews. So if I'm going to spend my little $70, I'm going to spend it where it's going to be worth it. So I'll let y'all know if that works for me. Fingers crossed to do. Fingers crossed. And it comes with like a case in the front and the back. So I'll just add this to my little tote bag when I'm doing my solo content and stuff. I can just bring this with me when I'm able to see what I'm doing. Portable monitor. Y'all, I just keep hopping on here looking like who did it and why. But I got the monitor to work. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of it. Like, I guess I knew it wasn't going to be like in 4K or nothing, but... Oh, can y'all... First of all, it has to have all these cords attached to it to work. Because it has no power supply, like no battery. It just goes off of like the power supply you provide. So that's a red flag. And then the quality of it just looks like, can y'all tell? I don't know, I'm trying to show y'all, then show this. But the quality of it is just like the coloring is not coloring. It's just not, I don't know. I don't think I like it. I feel like I would need to find a better screen, a better monitor and that's going to cost me a pretty penny, but I'm willing to look to see if I can find something that's better quality, or just kind of wait, because you know those little monitors like they be having on TikTok and stuff, they don't get good reviews or anything like that, but I feel like they're like the first ones to come out, and so you know, always with the first ones, as time goes on, they'll start building them up and making them better. So I'm just kind of thinking maybe I'll just wait it out and see eventually if they do get better, or see how much another monitor will be. I don't know, y'all. I was hoping that worked, but I'm not feeling it. So I brought my I also went to go grab my camera, because it's just about time. Like, it's time that I start using this. I did not spend all this money on this camera for it to just be collecting dust. And it's dead right now. I think it won't turn on. I would hope it's just dead. Don't know why it's dead though. I haven't used it, but I'm gonna plug it in, and yeah. So I'm gonna start using my camera. I'm gonna just try and vlog with it tomorrow, y'all. Wish me luck. I need to get some additional batteries, because I just already know camera batteries don't be that good, especially to vlog all day. So we're gonna get some batteries, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. I didn't show y'all what I got from H&M. If this vlog continues, then I'll show you that. If not, I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. The vlog was short, but we didn't do much. I mean, we just gonna keep it real. We keeping it real with these people, right? Like, I didn't do much, so I don't want to fluff it out and just add some nonsense. This is the day I'm about to clean this room. Agreement with myself that I wanted to go to Ross tomorrow because I want to look at bedroom stuff, but I told myself, we're not buying anything else. We're not bringing any more bags, any more purchases into this room to clutter up until we clean up and we get rid of the stuff that we want to get rid of. Meaning, like, my old table in here, it needs to come out so I can build the desk and bring it in here. My bed, I have new bedding I need to put on. Like, get to it. Stop bringing stuff in here and you're not taking nothing out. So, agreement with myself, if I do that, then tomorrow I will go to Ross. If I don't do that, then we're not going to Ross. Period. Gotta put my foot down. I appreciate you guys vibing with me, hanging with me, watching this vlog. So if you guys enjoyed the vlog, enjoyed me, make sure to subscribe. Come join the Milani family. I would love to have you here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.